Hi guys, so in this video I will be showing you how to remove a sticker from the back of a plate. So you've bought yourself a plate and it's got a sticker on the back, and what we normally try to do is pick it off. Sometimes it comes off, but sometimes you end up in ripping it. See, it starts to rip and it's not that easy. So what I suggest is if you just take a wipe, could be any type of wipe. Right here I've got antibacterial wipes, but that's not important. It could be any type of wipe. So just take one out of the packet and then just rub it on top, and then the sticker easily comes off. Let me show you. And this is the plate after I have removed the sticker. See, completely clear. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and if you'd like to see more handy tips, please check out my how-to playlist and subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss another upload. See you on the next video, guys. Bye. Thank you.